Good morning, children. All of you open your textbooks. Page number 210. All of you open your textbooks. Page number 210. Okay? Okay. In previous class, what we had completed? That is about house. Okay? How many types of houses are there? That is two types. What are they? First one pakka house, second one kacha house. Okay? Pakka house means what? The houses made up of bricks, cement and wood. That is called pakka house. For example, apartment, bungalow. Okay? Then the other the house, kacha house. Kacha house means the houses made up of mud and straws. That is called kacha house. For example, huts. Okay? Then in the house, types of parts are there. Okay? In our houses, parts are there. What are the parts? That is living room, kitchen room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom. Like that, so many parts are there. Okay? So, first one is living room. Living room means what is that? What about living room? That is, living room is a room where we sit with our friends. Okay, where we sit with our friends, guests and relatives, neighbors. They are sitting in our living room only. Okay, they are talking with us in the living room only. Okay, in that living room, how many things, which things are there? That is TV, sofa, chairs, bookshelf, book racks. Okay, these types of things are there in that living room. Okay, next the kitchen room. In the kitchen room, what about kitchen room? The kitchen room where we cook our meals. Okay, in kitchen room we are cooking our meals. Okay, in the kitchen, sink, gas stove and many utensils are there in our kitchen room. And in our food items also, we are storing in that room only. We are stored in that room only. Okay. Next, the dining room. Dining room means what about dining room? The dining room in which we eat our meals. Which we eat our meals. We have a dining table and chairs in that dining room. Okay. We all are sitting in our dining room and eat our meals. That is about dining room. Okay. Next, up to here we had completed no in our previous class. Okay. Next, today we are started from bedroom. Okay. Bedroom. See here, bedroom is a room where we rest and sleep. Okay. Bedroom is our one more room. Okay, where we rest and sleep. Okay, in our bedroom only we have to take rest and sleep. We have a bed, a night lamp, table and a cupboard for clothes in the bedroom. Okay, in that bedroom, which objects are there? That is one bed, one night lamp, that means bed lamp, table, cupboard for clothes in the bedroom. Okay, cupboard also there in our bedroom. Why? Because in that cupboard clothes are there. Okay, our dresses are there in that cupboard. Okay, that is about bedroom. Next, one more page. Take out one more page. That is 211 page number. What is that? 211 page number. See here. The one more room is bathroom. The bathroom is the room. Bathroom is one more room where we take bath and brush our teeth. We keep things such as soaps, buckets, mugs and towels here. We should keep the bathroom clean and dry. Okay. The one more room is bathroom. In the bathroom, we have to bath in that bathroom only. Okay. We have to bath and brush our teeth. The types of works we are completed in this room only. Okay. We keep things such as, so in that room which things are there? That is soaps, buckets, mugs and towels here. We should keep the bathroom clean and dry. We always keep the bathroom clean and dry. Don't do like wet. Okay. Next, see here, taking care of our house. What is that? Taking care of our house. Okay. How we take care of our house? We should always keep our house clean. We should always keep our house clean. Living in a clean house protects us. Living in a clean house protects us from diseases. Okay. Now we want our house clean. Okay. Always we have to keep clean in our house. Keep clean our house so that the diseases are not attacked to us. Understand? Always keep your house clean so that the diseases are not attacking us. Understand? That only the clean house only protect us from the diseases. Understand? See. Next, here one picture is given. Picture study. See. Identify the type of house shown in the picture. Okay. Which type of house this one? Which type of house this one? Yes, that is Pakka house. Which type? Pakka. P-U-C-C-A. Pakka. H-O-U-S-E. House. Pakka house. Okay. Write the material it is made of. Okay. Which type of material it made of? That is bricks. Okay. Bricks and cement. Bricks, cement and what is that? Wood also. Wood. Okay. Which type of house this one? That is Pakka house. Okay. What is the material they used for this type of house? That is bricks, cement and wood. Okay. Understand? Okay. See. Next one. Checkpoints. See here, checkpoints are there. Give one word answer for the following. Give one word answer for the following. See here, one word answers we want to give. What is that? First one, room where we cook our food. Okay, say where we cook our food. Okay, we are cooking our food in kitchen room. In kitchen room. Yes? Okay. Next. Room where we rest and sleep. Okay. Where we have to take rest and sleep. That is, say, bedroom. Okay. The room where we talk with our guests. Okay. Where we are talking with our guest neighbors. That is, where? In our living room. Okay. Next. We keep a bed here. Where we are keeping? Where we have to keep our bed? That is also bedroom only we have to keep our bed. Next. Room for eating food. Okay. We have to eat our lunch. Where we are eating? That is dining room. Dining room. Okay, understand? Then write it. First one, that is kitchen room, where we cook our food. That is kitchen room. Okay. Second one, where we rest and sleep. Where we have to rest and sleep, that is bedroom only. Okay. Next, third one, where we talk with our guest. Okay, where we are talking with our guest, neighbors, relatives. Okay, where? In the living room only. Next, we keep a bed here. Where we have to keep our bed? In the bedroom only. Okay. Room for eating food. Where we are eating our food, that is dining room. Okay na? Okay, completed writing. Next, turn the page and page number 212. See here, in this new words are there. Okay, new words. See here, protects. Protects means what? What is the meaning of protects? Keeps safe. Keeps safe. Okay. Okay, new words. In that new words, first one, protects. Okay, protects. Protects means what? Keep us safe. Okay, keep safe. Bricks. Bricks means block of baked clay. Clay means, you know, that is soil, like soil. That baked soil. Okay, bricks means blocks of baked clay, that is itukalu, blocks of baked clay. Next, that is cement. Cement means a material used to make building. What is the meaning of cement? Cement is used for our houses or buildings or apartments. Okay, anyone. Cement is used for our houses. Here what they given? A material used to make building. Okay, used to make building. Next, wood. Wood, see here, the hard material. The hard material that we get from the trunk of a tree. Okay, wood means what? That is like trunk. Okay, the hard material, that is very tough material, hard material that we get from the trunk of a tree. Very big trees are there, no? That is the trunk. Very big trees are there. Okay, that stem is very big, that is called trunk. That means we are getting from the trunk of trees. Wood is very hard material and we get from the trunk of a tree. Trunk means very big stem. You know stem? Huh? Trees have the stem. Okay, that is very big. Huh? That is called trunk. Okay, wood, the hard material. That wood is very hard material that we get from the trunk of a tree. Next, guests. People who visit our house. Guest means what? People who visit our house, that is called guest. Sink, a fixed basin used to wash utensils in the kitchen. You all are much know about this one. Okay, sink, fixed basin, like basin, fixed basin used to wash utensils in the kitchen. In the kitchen, one sink is there. You all are know about that sink. Okay. Next, gas stove, a thing used to cook food. Okay, how we cook our food? With help of the gas only, no, gas stove, that only, the thing used to cook food. Okay. Next, utensils means tools used for eating and serving food. Okay, tools, utensils means tools used for eating and serving food. Okay, we are eating, where we are eating, that is in the dining room only. Okay, that is correct. Okay, in the dining table, which are there? In the dining table, which types of things are there? That is called utensils. Okay, that is like plates, spoons, bowls. Okay, that all are, we are called utensils. Understand? That is tools used for eating and serving food. Like that, plates, spoons, bowls, glasses, that all are, we have to use the eating and serving, no? So that is called utensils. The types of tools we had called utensils. Next one, meals. Meals means food that we eat at regular timings throughout a day. Okay, in one day we are eating our regular timings. Okay, where we are, which time we are eating, that is the meals. Regularly we are eating at one time only. Regularly we are eating at the same time. Okay, regularly we are eating at the same time, that is the meals. Understand? Regularly we are eating at the same time. So what is that? Morning tiffin is there, that also one type of meal, that is tiffin. Okay, no need to call meals, that is tiffin. Okay, afternoon time we are eating, that is meals. Afternoon time we are eating, that is the meals. Regularly we are eating same time, so that is called meals. Next, cupboard. What is that? Cupboard means a furniture used for storing clothes and other important things. A furniture used for storing clothes. Okay, clothes, we are storing clothes and other important things we are other important things we are storing, that is the cupboard. Okay, like we are clothes, where we are keeping. Okay, we are keeping clothes in our cupboards only, no, that is the cupboard. Okay. Next, disease. Disease means what? Illness. Disease means illness. For example, fever. Fever is a illness, and cold, that is also illness. Okay, vomitings, that also illness. Illness means our health is not have properly, that is the illness. Understand? Okay. Next, here, see here, exercise. What is that? Exercise. First A bit, fill in the blanks are given. First one, fill in the blanks had given. Next, we live in our houses with our dash. We live in our houses. Okay, with our dash. With our family. Okay, we live in our houses with our family. Okay, we are living with our house, with our, okay, family. With our family only we are living in the house. Okay, that is. Next, second one, houses made of bricks, cement and wood are called dash houses. Houses made of bricks, cement and wood are called dash houses. Dash houses, say Pakka house. Okay, Pakka house. Pakka house only used for bricks, cement and wood. Okay, next, we keep a sofa in a dash room. We keep a sofa in a living room. Why? Because guests are coming, no, in that living room only. They are sitting and talking with us. So we are keeping sofa in our living room only. Next, we bath in a dash. Where we have bathing? That is bathroom only. Where we are bathing? In the bathroom only. Okay, next, say true or false. Say true or false. See here, our house protects us from heat, rain, cold and thieves. That is true or false? True means correct, false means wrong. So our house only protect us, no, for heat, rain, cold, thieves. Okay, our house only protect us from the heat, rain, cold and thieves. That is true. Correct one, no? So write true. Okay, next, that 213 page number. 213 page number. Okay, see here, the second one, we keep a bed in a living room. Okay, we keep a bed in a living room. That is true or false? That is false. How? In the bedroom only we have keeping bed. In the living room we have keeping the sofa only. This is wrong. Living room, sofa. Bedroom means bed. Okay, don't we have not keeping bed in the living room. Next, we should keep our house clean. Okay, yes, we should keep our house always clean. Okay, next, we play games in the bathroom. Okay, that is correct, na? We have to play games in our bathroom? No, we have to bath in our bathroom. This is wrong. That means, what is that? Here false, here true, here false. Okay, understand, na? Okay, next one, see bit. What is that? Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Tomorrow I will give you answers. Okay, okay, right.